Yeah, I just unlocked the 30-minute incense. Let's see. Oh, Glenn Zapdos, no way. Okay, I'm gonna try and catch this. Give it a golden. Ultra. Should we try quick catching it, guys? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, we gotta wait for him to attack. How long is it gonna take him to attack? Holy bro. Imagine it was shiny. I got a shiny 2 days ago. Shiny Zapdos in the wild. That'd be sick if it was 2 in a row. Okay, finally. Great. I swear I put it on excellent. Oh my goodness, it stayed. Let's try one more time. Come on. Waiting for him to attack. Okay, there we go. I put it on excellent. There we go. Bro, why does this guy take so long? Oh, there we go. Come. I missed the excellent. Oh my goodness. Please stay. Oh, dang it. GG's, bro.